Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off word filter on the Township application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. No, sorry. Wrong game. So open the Township, and that's my town. And if you want to turn off the word filter, go to the three line at the upper right corner of the screen, click to the settings button, and go to the second button, the additional settings, next to the sign in with Facebook option. And here you can find a second option, the turn off word filter. And if you want to disable, click to the next circle icon. And if you want to turn on, just click that circle. And if it will be green, this function will be enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.